Hello and welcome to this vlog. This is a quick piece to camera just to explain the vlog and the reason behind this trip. Now, I guess a lot of us have this guilty pleasure of watching YouTube channels and people's road trips around amazing pieces of scenery and experiencing these amazing opportunities. And I guess all of us deep down want to be in their shoes, want to be experiencing those things for ourselves. However, the reality for a lot of us is that that doesn't always seem to be the case. I guess some particular full-time jobs or circumstances, etc., don't always allow us that freedom that we all hanker for. I think sometimes we are in positions where a job routes us to one location, and with that particular job there are only certain opportunities that arise where we can take holiday or have a weekend off here or there. So the experience of van life and that quality of life, we're not always able to have that opportunity to be able to do those things. However, when they do come about, you grasp them and you go for it. And that was the case with me. An opportunity came for me to have a week off just a couple of weeks prior to Christmas. So I decided to take myself off to the Lake District. The Lakes was a place that I'd been to many times before, as a young teenager and into my adult life, and having experienced quite a bit of it, I never really got to experience it from my own personal point of view and be able to take my time and see the things that I wanted to see. So I found out that there were 16 lakes, and my idea was to basically see all of the 16 lakes and for as much as possible be able to take footage of all of these lakes from the shoreline. So I needed to be able to get lakeside. I think I've managed to do it for all 16. I mention in one of the vlogs about my brakes failing. That actually did happen on day one of all days. I, for once, obeyed the sat-nav, which is rare for me, and the sat-nav took Neewer and myself up, two passes. First of all, Newlands Pass, which was amazing, with a descent down into Buttermere, and then another ascent up Haweswater Pass with a descent down towards Keswick. The descent of Haweswater Pass was where my brakes failed, and I don't know how long it was, a few minutes, a couple of minutes, I don't know, of sheer terror and me thinking to myself, oh my god, this is it. Needless to say, everything's fine. I'm here to tell the tale. You must excuse the quality of the vlogs in that when I decided to record the vlogs, they were in the last 3 days, so they were kind of ad hoc. Excuse the quality of sound and particular camera work here and there, because I'm still getting used to this camera. It was pissing it down for 2 days as well, so I was having lots of issues with the camera being wet and etc. But I tried as much as possible to get as much footage as I could. Not all the time. There were some places where I wasn't able to get as much footage as I was after, but apologies for that. But I think I've managed to get all 16 in. The trip was fantastic and was a really amazing experience, and I hope that you'll get to enjoy it through the pictures that you see and the pieces to camera that I do manage to achieve. One last note, the hat that I lost I didn't lose it. I actually found it in the end. It was sat in the tucked in the back of the chair in the front. So yeah, I never lost my favourite running hat after all. Enjoy.